Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix face unlock not working on Redmi 13X. So first things first, clean the front camera lens with a microfiber. Just take a microfiber and swipe it. Next, if it's still not working, go into the settings. Then fingerprint, face data and screen lock. Face unlock, draw your pattern. Select your face and delete face. And add another one. Remember to have a good lighting during the setup and use of your face unlock. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.